guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not subscribe it, clicking on the red button, and if you have not seen my past videos, you can see my past videos in my channel. Today we'll be talking about Dettol's mom kit. So now what's Dettol's mom kit? It is specially for the newly moms, new moms who have given birth recently, or they have a small child in their home for around 0 to 2 years of that sort. And this Dettol kit, which we'll be seeing further in our video, is only priced at ₹39, which is almost kind of only its delivery. You get this whole Dettol mom kit free. Let's move on and see what this all kit consists of. I received a packet like this. You will receive a packet like this. This is a green packaging, as you can see, which says congratulations, welcome to the world of Dettol and new moms. You can see there's a Dettol logo here, 100% sure, and mom and a baby. And this side you have nothing. At the back you can see this is the site name Liquid.com, and it says India's #1 online medical products. You can see. Sorry. You get the delivery details here, and your address, barcode, and everything, and all that manufacturing details and stuff are given here. And this is a plastic packaging. Let's remove this and see what's inside. After removing the plastic, it is like this. See, the packaging is simple packaging. It's flimsy, but yet the products inside this are safe enough. So you'll get products like this. This is green Dettol packaging. Let's see what's inside it. It opens like this. It has a brochure. Let's see the brochure first. And the packaging is like this. It's a plastic tray, flimsy, but yet the contents of this is safe enough. Let's see the brochure first. Brochure says Dettol flat 20% off on entire Dettol range, and there is a coupon given here. See, you can see Dettol coupon given here. You can use. It's available on Amazon now. Offer applicable only for single purchase. And inside you have congratulations and welcome to new motherhood. It's an all new journey for you, and your life is about to change in more ways than one. We are sure there is a lot on your mind about experiencing this phase of motherhood and caring for your baby the best one you can. So the Dettol thought you should have all that you need to ensure a healthy, nourishing environment at your home for your baby, because now more than ever is the time to ensure that your little one is welcomed into a clean and healthy home. With your home safe, your germs, you can enjoy all the little moments of being a mom, watching your adorable baby learn and grow. Congratulations being a new mom. Once again, wish you and your baby a healthy and a lovely growing up journey ahead. See the message here, and this is all it contains. Now let's move on and see what's there in the box. In this kit you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have total 5 products, as you can see. The first one is a travel size or smaller size of Move Pain Relief Specialist. See, it's of 12 rupees, and it is 5 grams product. Expiry date and other details are given here. You can read it out. Normal Move which we use. It's handy. You can use it for traveling and stuff. It's for ₹12. And the second product is 10 rupees mini pack of Dettol Handwash, which is applicable, which can be used for around 30 washes. As you can see, it is for ₹10, and all the product details are given here. As you can read it in the exactly how you use your hand wash. You wet your hands, rinse and dry off, and how its ingredients is given and why is it essential, that's also given. It's 25 ml product, as you can see. Now the next thing is a Dettol soap. So Dettol soap, normal Dettol soap which normal we use. Everyone has used Dettol soap obviously case. It's 10 rupees one. It's also 10 rupees now one, and normal which we have used. I suppose everyone has used Dettol, so one we trust on Dettol. So if we see total amount till now, it's 10, 20 and 12 rupees. That is 32 now. And the next product, and I feel one of the most essential products which everyone should have, is an antiseptic liquid. Dettol antiseptic liquid. Best thing about this is it's a plastic one, not a glass one which we generally use at our home. It has this plastic bottle and the plastic cap, so it's quite comfortable for us to carry. And like in general, when a newly being mom and the baby, it's very easy to carry this, and it's really essential to keep your baby away from all the germs and you as well. So it's very handy and I feel very comfortable to use. And the next and the last, sorry, let me say its price. Its price is 22 rupees 73 paise. So the past 3 when we calculated, it was of 32 plus 22, it becomes 54.73. so I feel even the delivery is covered within this. And the next product is Dettol sanitizer. Who doesn't need a sanitizer? Sorry, who doesn't need a sanitizer? A Dettol sanitizer is a must, I feel. So this Dettol sanitizer is 50 ml product, and it's of rupees 77. This product itself is of rupees 77. That is the price. The delivery charges of the box is itself taken off with this sanitizer only. Everyone has used this also. If not, it's very handy. Wherever you travel, you just need to carry this, and even it's a plastic bottle, so it's easy to carry, and it will become easy for you and even healthy, so that your germs doesn't hamper you or your family. So it becomes easy for you to carry and enjoy your life. So let me again remind you of the product. This is a sanitizer. Then we have a Dettol antiseptic, then a hand wash, a small pack of mousse, and Dettol soap. I feel this is a perfect travel kit to carry. Wherever you can travel, you can easily carry all this.